still continuing with equal roots. Don't forget, this is a quadratic equation series in math solutions, and we consider the first example under equal roots, where I did mention in that lesson that when we say a quadratic equation has equal roots, what that means is that the first term and the last term they are perfect squares. So let's continue with this example on the board. It says find P if px squared minus 6x plus 1 equals to 0 has equal roots. So you can see, as long as you see this word here, equal roots, that tells you that the first term px squared and then the last term must be perfect square. Now let's go ahead to solve this the way we did in the first lesson. Now we take this first term and we get the root of that. So we say root px squared. Don't forget to keep the root sign for them. Now if you observe, you will see that we do not know what p stands for, therefore we cannot get the root of p. So this root will be over this p. However, for the x squared, the root can cancel this. Of course, you know what I'm talking about at this point. So if root cancels this square here, we have just x, and then we'll be left with our root p. That's the first thing you do. Okay, so our root p x squared is equals to what? X root p. Now for the next step, we come to the last term, which in this case is 1, and we take the root of 1. Now the root of 1 will always give you 1. Whenever you take the root of 1, it will always give you 1. So that is what we have here. Now don't forget, it's as though we are taking root of k, which is equals to b. So here the k is 1 and the b is 1. Now why I'm saying this is because of the third step we are about to take, the next step we are about to take, which is for the middle term. There we have 6x to equals 2 multiplied by the results here, which is x root p, then multiply by 1. Now from this step you can see that x will cancel x, and then here we have 6 equals to 2 multiplied by root p will give us 2 root p. Now what we do from here, we have to divide both sides by 2. Don't forget, we are trying to see if we can get the value for p. So in this case we shall have root p, which is this value that is remaining here when we divide this. Okay, so we have 3. So if 2 goes into 6, that will give us what? 3. Now we have arrived at root p equals to what? Equals to 3. Now how do we solve this? If you want to remove this root sign, all you have to do is to square everything you see here. And if you square it, this square will cancel this to leave you with just the value for p, and then 3 squared means 3 times 3, and that would give us 9. So there you have it. The value for p is 9. I believe you followed through and you really enjoyed, understood this, and also enjoyed this lesson. I would sure like to see you in my next lesson. Please don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I release my next video. See you in my next lesson.